Hey there folks! Have you ever wanted to speed up your hard drive and free up some space? Well, defragmentation is the answer. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of defragmenting your HDD to boost its speed. So, let's dive right in. First off, fire up the File Explorer on your computer. After that, right-click on the drive or partition you intend to defrag. Quick heads up, ensure the partition is on a hard disk drive, not on SSD drive, as SSD partitions don't need defragmentation. Now, once you've right-clicked on the partition, a context menu should appear. Select Properties from there. Then, switch over to the Tools tab, right-click on the Optimize button, and a program should pop up. Next up, pick your partition from this program and click on Analyze. It'll then provide you with information on how defragmentation and partition works. To kick off the defragmentation process, simply hit the Optimize button and let the program work its magic. Now, if your partition is heavily fragmented, it might take a while to defrag. Just hang tight and don't close the program. Also, remember to check in with this program every now and then. If your fragmentation exceeds 10% or so, it's time to defrag again. So that's a wrap. That's how you defrag your hard disk drive. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel and don't forget to drop a like. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.